Have you ever wondered how the future of urban agriculture might look with the integration of artificial intelligence? Imagine cityscapes flourishing with greenery, producing fresh food right where it's needed. This is the essence of urban agriculture, a crucial solution for sustainable living in our rapidly urbanizing world. Now, imagine elevating this system with the power of artificial intelligence, optimizing growth, reducing waste, and maximizing yield. Intriguing, isn't it? This is where AI steps in to revolutionize urban farming. Urban agriculture faces unique challenges that traditional farming does not. Picture this. You're in a bustling city, surrounded by concrete and steel. Space is at a premium, and every square inch is precious. This makes farming a tough proposition, as there's simply not enough room to grow crops in the same way as in rural areas. Next, the soil. In a city, it's often contaminated with industrial pollutants or heavy metals, making it unsuitable for healthy plant growth. Even if you manage to find clean soil, managing water efficiently is another hurdle. Urban areas tend to have complex water systems, and using them for irrigation can be tricky. And let's not forget about pests. In cities, we find a different set of critters compared to the countryside, and they can be just as destructive to crops. These obstacles require innovative solutions, and AI holds the promise to provide them. Imagine a world where AI technology aids in optimizing space, predicting weather patterns, controlling pests, and managing water resources in urban farming. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a game changer in urban agriculture. Precision farming, for instance, uses AI to analyze data from various sources like satellite images and soil sensors. This helps urban farmers make informed decisions, maximizing yield from their limited space. Weather plays a crucial role in farming. AI-based predictive analytics can forecast weather patterns with astonishing accuracy, allowing farmers to plan ahead and mitigate risks. Pests are a persistent problem in agriculture. AI-driven pest control systems can identify and neutralize pests, preventing crop damage and reducing reliance on harmful pesticides. Water, a precious resource, can be managed effectively with smart water management systems powered by AI. These systems ensure optimal water usage, reducing wastage and promoting sustainability. AI has the potential to transform the landscape of urban agriculture, making it more productive and sustainable. So what does the future hold for urban agriculture with the advent of AI? As we've discussed, urban farming faces unique challenges. From space constraints to the need for efficient resource use, the hurdles are many. But with the power of AI, we can optimize these practices, making farming more sustainable and efficient. Imagine cities where fresh produce is grown locally, reducing carbon footprint and promoting health. AI and urban agriculture together can drive sustainable agriculture, shaping the future of our cities.